Morning, guys. It's your boy Manny B here at the Skinny Water Boys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Albert and I, he's right here. Slept in the freaking truck, roughed it out at the spot. We're gonna feel this later, but we're pumped. We're about to go inside, get some food, get moving, and get ready to go. We're at this special spot that we haven't fished in quite some time. Albert was looking back at some old footage, and it looks like the last time we've been in the area is back in June.
8 months ago.
But doing this, what we're about to do, shoot, it's been a couple years, right? It's been a few years.
It was, yeah, probably 2. At least 2.
At least? You think so? I thought it would be more. We'll have to check that out. But yeah, guys, we're gonna have some fun on the river. So stay tuned. Appreciate y'all watching, and let's get right to it. Alright, guys, looks like this is the first spot we can actually cast at. We're gonna see what happens. I brought the fly rod because I think it'd be fun. Catch some fish on the fly rod if I can. And of course, I didn't really check the box to see what I had, and I really don't have any flies with me. I'm not sure how that happened, but it happened. I think Albert distracted my bait of choice, a chatterbait, jig, and then that's a crawfish on the fly rod, but you can swim it like a bluegill. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I got a 5-inch paddle tail on this chatterbait. Might be overkill, might not. We'll see. Look at that. It's gonna be a white with chartreuse with some gray shad colors, natural shad on the back, 50-pound braid. What else am I throwing? 150 XG Shimano Corrado DC. Of course, you can't ever go wrong. I always throw a jig. I put a white trailer on this time just to kind of see if that does anything, like in this dirty water, especially if it's dirty. But if it's just, normal color, I'll have to change the jig color. But we're gonna try something different. It is January what?
January
26. January 26.
4 days from now, a legend was born.
Oh yeah, you don't. Yeah, that's right. We're out here for Albert's his 25th birthday. Last time it was wild. I'm gonna try to link the video down below if I can, so y'all can see the last trip here.
Stop the video right now. Go watch the other one and then come back.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You hear him? Albert said, stop this video right now, click the old one, watch the 2-part series, and then come back to this video, because you'll get some context of why we're throwing what, and what's really going on. Go! Damn. Yeah. It's a little guy. I was like, damn, it felt like a good fish. Look at him. About the same size as what we're catching. Oh shit.
What are you throwing?
It's like a crawfish. That dude Chase made these. Chase fish flies. Big do. Oh. My drag was so loose. My drag was so loose. I didn't even feel. Yeah, he just came up. He freaking thumped it. Chatterbait. Biggest one of the trip so far. I don't know what, same size as yours?
Mine are like 15, 16.
There we go, boys. That's funny. You said yours looked like chasing shad. Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Dude, low and slow. We always talk about certain ways we want to catch fish. It never goes as is planned. The fish, we could always come up with a plan, an idea, ballpark of what we want to do, but until you get there, you're never really going to know what you're going to do. I mean, yes, some days you just absolutely wreck them because you fish the area, but I'm just out here to have some fun, brother. They're not always related to the bank like you would expect. Yes, they are to an extent, but not all the time. Oh. Oh my goodness. That's alright. Dude, he boiled on it, bro. He boiled on it.
I'm not getting any of that over here.
I'm just going slow on the jig, dude. Telling you. Jig bite.
Nah, dude, I'm ready for a good bite. I'm ready. Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I was gonna hit this little spot real quick and turn around. God, is that better? Yeah, it's like a 3. Yep. Oh yeah, come here. Come here, girl. Yeah, right there. Look.
Nice.
Look at those eye colors, boys. Hell yeah. That's a dope jig. Dope freaking fish. I had to just fish it because I knew there was a good one over there. Let's go. Oh, she gave me a good old splash. Said, "Welcome to Texas, boy." Crazy thing is, I'm born and raised. Oh gosh. Oh, what in the world? Oh my goodness. That's better. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I wonder if they're stacked in this and like just together. Damn, that one's way in there. Look at that. Looks like maybe an offspray hit it right here. Clawed it on the back. You almost got, huh? Alright, man, that was a freaking sick eat. And hooks ahead and just jump. Look at that leeches on the back. That's wild. See that go? Okay, I don't know what the heck the GoPro keeps messing up. SD, I think messed up a second ago. But I caught another nice freaking fatty that I didn't get a video of. Dang it. Go. Oh gosh. God. Dude. Yeah. That's bigger. Slightly bigger, probably. This one might be a 4. Come here. Probably 3.5 again. Yeah. Dude, they are munching right there. I better not miss that spot up. Let's go. I get this one on film now? Guys, I'm throwing one of those Strike King little twirly tails with a 3/8 ounce tungsten belly weight with a flashy swimmer. And that is doing some damage right here. So I just caught another one the same exact size, if not slightly bigger. It's a watermelon. Hey, I'm fishing that drop off like we were talking about earlier.
You can see it?
I can't see it. I'm just, hey, I believe it's there. I have faith it's there. That's where I'm fishing, brother. Dude, all I'm doing is reeling right into them now because they're hitting it so freaking. That's the third or fourth one? Third in a row. There we go. The only thing about the downside about these Yamamotos is that they're pretty fragile. I mean, they're super soft. They're amazing for what they are, but you can't, it's hard to get best of both worlds with longevity, how much fish you can get out of it, how much the time cost, all that jazz. It's a whole ordeal. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Dude, that felt massive. I just lost a giant. Bro. Oh. Cool. Dude. That's a nice one. Oh. Oh my gosh. Did y'all see me set that hook? Oh. Dude. That was the hardest hook set I've ever set this year. Come here. Ah. Oh, what, dude? Oh, nice. Look at that, guys. That's freaking sick. Oh, here he comes. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Dang, that's sweet.